is here, and with the heat comes the need for easy and low maintenance hairstyles that can withstand the sun, humidity and sweat. Luckily, I have some cute and effortless hairstyles that you can try to keep your hair looking great all summer long. Before I begin, subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Before I do the hairstyle, I like to apply serum as it detangles knots, adds shine and smooths out the frizz, making the hair soft and easy to style. My go-to serum nowadays is this one. It's the Tresemme Gloss Ultimate Hair Serum. What makes this serum stand out is that it combines intensive hydration, nourishment, conditioning, styling and protection all in one bottle. And it adds a whole lot of glossy shine to the hair as well. To create the knotted scarf hairstyle, begin with selecting a scarf that is long enough to tie around your hair. Fold the scarf in half and hold it together. After that, select a section of hair and wrap the scarf around it like a knot, ensuring that it is tight enough to stay in place. Proceed to repeat this process by taking another section of hair from both sides as well as the scarf end and tying them together to create a knot. This step should be repeated 2 to 3 times. Your stylish knotted scarf hairstyle is now good to go. Moving on to the topsy tail hairstyle. Start by pulling out 2 small tendrils from the front. Then gather up the rest of the hair at the back and with a hair tie secure it together. Create a gap in the center and flip the entire ponytail through it. Tug on the hair to tighten it up and accessorize it with a fancy scrunchie. Now once I'm done, I will apply a hairspray to make sure my hairstyle stays put all day. I like to use the Tresemme Compressed Micro Mist Invisible Hold Natural Finish Hairspray. It is fast drying, prevents humidity from creating havoc in the form of frizz. To pull off the bubble ponytail look, begin by securing all of your hair at the back with a hair tie. To make your first bubble, secure a new elastic a few inches down from the base of the ponytail. Then, stretch out the hair in between the elastics by pulling them a bit. Continue doing this until you reach the bottom, leaving 2 or 3 inches of hair free. Achieve an extra polished appearance by spritzing a little hairspray all over your head and smoothing away flyaways. Lastly, to create a scarf bun, pull out a couple of small sections from the front. Then gather the remaining hair into a ponytail. Insert the scarf through the hair tie and divide the hair into 2 halves, intertwining them with the scarf. Secure the ends with another hair tie. Finally, twist the hair tightly, creating a gorgeous bun and fasten it up with bobby pins. A little bit of hairspray will keep this hairstyle in place. So whether you're running errands, going for brunch or a holiday, there's a hairstyle that will keep you looking cool and comfortable in the summer heat. Make sure you try it out. Time for me to go. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye!